Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices for AirPlay. Make sure your iPhone and the LG TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and software is current so compatibility is immediate. Once done, swipe to open Control Center on your iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring or AirPlay. You do this now because network presence and permissions are required before pairing, otherwise the TV won't appear. If your LG prompts for authorization, accept it on the TV so the devices can establish a secure connection. After selecting your LG TV from the AirPlay list, you will often see a 4-digit code on the television. Enter that code on your iPhone to confirm the pairing. This prevents accidental connections and secures the stream. Once paired, decide whether you want full screen mirroring or to play specific video/audio from an app by choosing the appropriate option. Make sure to adjust TV input and volume. Some apps also offer picture quality controls that you can tweak for smoother playback. To complete the session, stop mirroring from Control Center or simply disconnect AirPlay in the app you used. This ensures your TV returns to its usual input. If the connection fails, restart Wi-Fi on both the iPhone and the LG TV and then try pairing again. This clears temporary network issues. One key troubleshooting tip: disable any VPNs and ensure there aren't duplicate Wi-Fi SSIDs or heavy interference, because encrypted tunnels and network conflicts are the most common reasons AirPlay won't maintain a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.